Hello everyone. Let's discuss a question from JEE Main 2003 from the chapter Current Electricity. The question says negative Zn pole of a Daniell cell sending a constant current through a circuit decreases in mass by 0.13 gram in 30 minutes. Electrochemical equivalence of zinc and copper is given, and we have to find the increase in mass of positive copper pole in this time. So if electricity is passed through several electrolytes, according to the Faraday's second law of electrolysis, the mass of substance deposited are proportional to their respective chemical equivalent. Therefore, we can tell that according to Faraday's law, second law of electrolysis, mass of zinc by mass of copper will be equal to Z zinc, where Z is electrochemical equivalence of substance, or we can tell equivalent weight, by Z of copper. Given that decrease in mass of zinc as 0.13, mass of copper we have to find out, and the electrochemical equivalent of zinc and copper is given as 32.5 and 31.5 respectively. Upon calculation, you will get mass of copper as 0.126 gram. Therefore, 0.126 gram is our option C. So the right answer is C. You will get more questions here by scrolling on same concept. Thank you, students.